Alexandra and Victoria are two of them.
Why they?
Why them? Well, my daughter's called Victoria. And I like Victoria. Victoria's used pretty regularly. It's been used about 9 times since the reign of Queen Victoria within the body of names given to girls. Alexandra, very nice. I think Frances might be there. Diana was a Frances. William's grandmother was Frances. Alice might be there. So, you know, there's a permutation. What we've got to remember is that whether it's a boy or girl, one day it'll be king or queen, and the name has got to fit.
So James would be very appropriate for
James would be appropriate. George would be appropriate. When you think of William's great-grandfather, the Queen's father, he was Albert Frederick Arthur George, and he chose George. But Albert's been a very popular name, been used about 9 times for children since the reign of Queen Victoria.